that's the easiest tip.
From @WendyVaughn05. I overcook my chicken breasts all the time. Always afraid of undercooking. Tips, please.
Depends on how you're cooking the chicken breasts. Chicken needs to come to 160. So you need to train yourself to get an instant read thermometer and take the chicken out of the pan at 160 or 165 for the breast meat or the thigh meat. That's the easiest tip. It could be about pan temp. If your pan is too hot, anything will brown quicker than you'd like and it won't finish cooking through. So if you're really nervous about that, if the chicken looks very brown but you feel that it's still very tender when you press on it, finish it in the oven. Just pop it in the oven, 300, 325, and let it finish cooking through gently with a little foil on top. Same deal out on the grill. Same deal.
This is from @Talica40. Do you have a wedding song? If so, what is it, or what is the first song you both danced to together?
Well, we walked down the aisle to Stevie Wonder, like the Obamas did. Yes. Different songs though.
Sunshine of My Love.
Yeah, Sunshine. Yep. So we walked down the aisle to Stevie Wonder, and we had a couple of wedding songs, like Our Song, like the song John played the first time I went over to his apartment and we had an alone date. Like, we were together every night on the telephone or in person since the night we met. But it was a couple weeks before we had like an actual alone date where just the two of us were there. And I walked in, and what song was playing, honey?
It was Marvin Gaye, What's Going On.
What's Going On. So not exactly a wedding song.
Do you remember our first dance song though? It's kind of upbeat.
The Everlasting Love cover by U2.
Exactly.
So that's yet another song. But we walked down the aisle to Stevie Wonder.
So we got one more question. It's for moi. It's at
We'll come around this
Lyrical Tour Guide. John, if you could make a signature drink to describe Rach or name after her, what would it be?
Well, that's a loaded question. The Big Mouth?
I could make a Bloody Mary because she's spicy, but I'm going to make her a champagne cocktail, hold the sugar, because first of all, she loves that, drinks it all the time. And second of all...
Just bitters, because I'm a bitter lady.
It's just champagne, bitters, and a lemon twist.
And a big lemon twist. Yeah.
But you're very bubbly.
Well, sometimes I'm bubbly.
And it doesn't need the sugar because you're already very sweet.
Oh, that was cute.
I'm going to get extra chicken wings for that.
You better go check the chicken wings, not burn them. We only have that.